What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you know how tough it is to find the time to clean up. So today I'm going to try this new strategy where I'll be giving myself a few minutes to speed clean an area. I'm going to be starting with our bedroom. Now, mind you, the bedroom is a disaster area. We just got through a weekend that was hectic, busy, and did no cleaning whatsoever, kind of just threw everything everywhere. With that said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my video uploads. So I will be giving myself 10 minutes to speed clean my bedroom. Let's see how far I get in those 10 minutes. If this is something you want to see, then just keep watching. So there you have it. Not the absolute best job in the world, but it was good for a speed clean. Let me know what you think. I was able to get some of this done, and it's okay. What do you do to keep up with your house? It's just like you're always exploring new ways and new tips and tricks. And is there a magic pill to take to keep your house clean? Let me know what you do to keep it clean. If you have little kids around, how do you get them to help? I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing, it's free. So hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you're notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you don't subscribe and punch you in the face.